until you see this home. I am at 8005 Jody Carter Path. That is in the village of Shady Brook, and golf course is right around the corner. Middleton, Eastport, everything that you need is right here. This home, wait till you see it. It shows like a model. I can't wait to take you in it. Robyn Cavallaro. I'm a realtor here in the village of Florida. Before you start the process, two things. You want to get my book because you want to know everything there is about this community when you're going to call this home. And if you're looking for a place to stay, check out Clara's Cottage. That's my rental in the village of McClure. You need to stay there if you're ready to come down and take a visit. And make sure you start your home search on my website, robyncavallaro.com. Okay, I know you want me to get inside, right? Okay, let's go on in to 8005 Jody Carter Path. First, I want to show you the street. So this is practically a dead end. You're going to come down Jeff Anderson Way onto Jody Carter Path. And this is the neighborhood. I'm going to take a nice little peek outside. This is block and stucco construction. And we have, oh no, wait, this is tilt-up wall, excuse me. 2-car and a golf cart garage. Lots of extras inside. Let's go on in. It's a really nice leaded glass door. This home is incredibly clean and neat. I really like it. Okay, so walk in and here we go. We have living room, kitchen, pantry. I'm not taking you in there yet. To the right, we have one of the bedrooms. They've turned this into a movie viewing room. And it does have a closet. Nice big comfy couch. And carpet. The carpet is in really good shape. Everything is decorated with a modern, mid-century modern feel. It is so warm and inviting. I have LVP flooring throughout, except the bedrooms. They do have carpet. Beautiful big pantry for all of you out there who want this and need this extra storage space. Look what you have here. And it has a pocket door. So keep it shut. Now I do have a list of upgrades. I'll have that attached to the listing. If you want to take a tour of the home, you always can give me a call or tell your realtor, whomever you're working with, that you want to check it out. And what I love this location because I really like Middleton. I think it has some nice things to offer, as well as Eastport, and you can't go wrong being in this newer area. Of course, we do have bonds here, but it's the cost of living here and part of the lifestyle. Nice big sink. This is an upgrade. That is a commercial grade faucet, and I have something similar to this. What I like about this, and then look at that. That's some serious water pressure there. This is an upgrade. These do not come with the homes like that. Stainless steel appliances, and they do have pullouts. Look at that. I love this woman, is seriously neat. These are nice handles, so they're, they just have an angle. They don't look like the normal cheap stuff you get on Amazon. Cabinets are white. And without that pantry, you still have a lot of storage, but I think you can find lots of spaces to put your things. Now, 2 bedrooms, bathroom, and laundry are through that door. And they've added plantation shutters. The home has surround sound throughout, which, if anyone likes to play music or as you get older, hear the TV, that is definitely a bonus. Let's take a look outside. Now we have the sliders. And what's nice about this, you do have neighbors in your backyard, but everything is beautifully landscaped. There is some distance. And have some privacy screens. They have a TV out here. It's a nice cozy space. There's the golf course is back over there. And you know, everything down here, we have lots of bike paths, walking trails. I mean, let me know what you think. I really think this house looks like one of the model homes. And remember, if you're looking for a pre-owned home, you do need to make sure you have both MLS and VLS representation so you see everything that's available to you. Here is the second bath, quartz countertops. There's quartz countertops in the kitchen. That tub, they're starting to put them in that they're lower, so you don't have to worry about, I don't know what that was. You don't have to worry about, as you get older, you know, making that big step could be a real pain. And this is cool. For your guests, you always can have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash right in the shower. Have the laundry room. And you know, there's space here if you wanted to, you know, maybe put some cabinets up there, or I hang all of my clothes to dry. You can put a rack up there so you can hang your clothes. You have a lot of space in this room, and washer dryers and a washer dryer. I have that same one. All right, so we'll go into, this will be the second bedroom. Now they are taking their furniture, but this gives you a great idea of what you can do and how it can look. And it has a closet. Now I would say this is a walk-in closet. Have the hamper in there. If you needed more space, obviously, you hear me say this all the time, you just need to get some closet organizers and you're good to go. And now we're in the primary. Those are layered shades. That's what I have in my home. If anyone, I know how some people have commented on my blinds. Mine are black. These are white, so you see what the difference is. They're really nice. You drop, so when you can bring this part, the solid part down here, and then it's completely private. Have side-by-side closets. Look at this. With all of this space, you don't need furniture in your bedroom. All you need is a bed and maybe side tables. Master. Primary bathroom, excuse me, again. Large space, split sinks, a lot of cabinets. And tile shower. And this has pocket door here. All right, we'll go take a quick peek, take a walk around the outside, and then, wait, I just want you to check this out one more time. Couldn't you just see yourself sitting there having coffee in the morning? I can. I'm gonna go out into the garage. This is 2-car and a golf cart garage. They have the epoxy floor, and they have some extra built-in storage. There you can see, you can get a lot up off the floor. Nova home water filter, whole home water filter. That is a Tesla charger. It's a normal charger. Walk around. Front, we have some landscape, solar lighting. Grass feels good. It's very quiet back here as I walk past the air conditioner. See, you can take your golf cart right out there. That's the golf course. I guess you can't really take your golf cart out there for a joyride, but you could walk out there. If you wanted to, you could add on to this. I think you got plenty of space. Whole home gutters. Gutters surround the entire property. And all the neighbors are maintaining their homes really well. Yeah, these homes were built 2 years ago. Now, my customers, they love living here, but they miss the water. So they're moving to the coast. Yeah. That's it. That little ringing noise you heard while I was inside was actually Amazon delivering. Tell me, what do you think? Isn't this house beautiful? Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of 8005 Jody Carter Path. This could be yours. Give me a call, book a showing. I'd be happy to take you through it. Have your realtor bring you through it. Bring us an offer. Don't miss it. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Finding a good rental is hard. Well, I have the answer for you. This is my rental in the village of McClure. I call it Clara's Cottage. It's named after my granddaughter. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath. The floor plan is an opal. It has a large kitchen, fully stocked. Pots, pans, dishes, coffee maker, utensils, knives, dishes, forks, spoons, glasses, bowls, everything you need to prepare a meal, interior laundry, and workstation with a printer for you to use if you're still working or if you're buying a home and you need to print out a contract. The 2 bedrooms are side by side. This is the primary, king-size bed, large closet, ensuite bathroom. Place to put your stuff where you put your shoes on, maybe. Again, there's a link below, RobynCavallaro.com, if you would like information on how to book Clara's Cottage. It is available for a minimum of 4 days, weekly, and monthly and even weekly in season. So for those of you who are snowbirds are coming down but don't want to come for 4 months or 3 months, Clara's Cottage is your answer. Thanks for watching.